Hi, this is Matt, and in this video we're going to show you how the 3-leg orbit or arcing dolly with the T-bar option actually becomes a doorway dolly. The T-bar gets attached to the center wheel. That's why the center wheel has that extra extension, extra attach point for the T-bar. But first, the left and the right wheel assembly need to be positioned accordingly, and they need to be facing the direction that you will be pushing and pulling. And with the screw, they are actually tightened and fixed. You have the position marked on the dial on top, so it's very easy to pinpoint. Once you have that, you just simply loose the screw a bit on the center wheel assembly, so it's not tight, it's actually loose, so you can turn the wheel. Once you attach the T-bar, which is also extremely simple, you attach it, and then you then adjust the height of the T-bar so that it fits your height and whatever you feel comfortable with. And then you can push, pull, go circles, pull circles, push around, change positions, go back and forth, do whatever manipulation that you actually want. And this can be assembled also with the big pneumatic wheels, not only with the inline skate wheels, depending on how smooth the surface is. And that's it.